Today we're gonna be talking about how to turn $50 into $450. Welcome back to the Popcorn Genius. Today we're gonna be talking about how to turn $50 into $450, and this is what we did this past weekend for the 4th of July fireworks. We ordered these popcorn kernel packs, and this is to pop up popcorn in your theater style popcorn popper. It is all in one package. So you have the butter coconut oil, you have the Flavacol right in this little pouch here, and you have the kernels. And this is made for an 8-ounce popper because we have an 8-ounce popper. If you have a 6-ounce popper or a bigger popper, they make bags just like this for every size machine. So what we did is we popped up this popcorn for the event. We put it into these containers right here, and we sold them for $5 each. And people just loved it. Who doesn't love nice movie theater buttery popcorn? What a great product to have for folks. They just absolutely love it. Nice and salty, buttery, delicious. So I'm gonna show you how to do that, so let's get popping. First thing we're gonna do is turn on our kettle. We're gonna start to get that heated up. Let's check the temperature in that because we just had it running for a little while. We're at 348 degrees right there. So that's plenty hot enough for us. We're gonna take our packaging, we're gonna get a scissor, and we're gonna cut off the top. Very simple, okay? We have our butter coconut, our Flavacol, and our kernels. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just dump this right into our machine. We're gonna squeeze out that butter coconut oil right into our kettle and shake that out, and you'll see we have everything out of there. Close our lid and let that start to heat up. Now these are so nice and easy because it's pre-measured kernels, pre-measured oil, and pre-measured Flavacol, which gives it that nice salty buttery flavor. So an easy thing to use, especially when you're at an event. You can plug this into just a 110 volt outlet and you can just pop kernels fast, and it works really, really good. While that's heating up, this is a perfect time to tell you about the Popcorn Genius recipe book. You can pick that up absolutely free today. There's a link down in the description for you to download that, and you'll get access to that immediately. A lot of great recipes in there for different flavors of popcorn. Awesome, awesome stuff. Also, today's video is sponsored by kettlecornmachine.com. Kettlecornmachine.com makes these giant kettles that you can pop up kettle corn at fairs and farmers markets. Great, great product they make. We have an 80-quart popper. We absolutely love it. You tell Destiny Popcorn Genius sent you, she's gonna take great care of you. All right, so while this is heating up, I wanna talk a little bit about what we purchased here. So we got these containers right on Amazon. They come flat like this. We got 100 of them for $23. So that means they're 23 cents each. You just basically squeeze it open and the bottom locks in, and that's it. It's nice and easy. That's what's great about these. You don't have to fold up a box. We've gotten the other kinds of boxes with the flaps and everything, and they are really nice, but then you have to take the time to fold them. This is simple, where one person can run this machine and sell popcorn and make money very, very easily. I hear the sizzle of the butter coconut oil working really good, and it's starting to smoke a little bit, so that means we're gonna have liftoff very soon where the popcorn will pop and it'll come out. What was really great about this machine at the event is that once it starts to pop like this, the aroma of the butter, that butter flavor gets throughout the event. People were coming over, oh, it smells so good, I'd like to buy some. It basically sells itself. Get a couple little signs, get a sign with your price on there, and you're ready to go. I can smell it, and it smells good. That butter, coconut oil, that buttery Flavacol salt, perfect. And that's what's the beauty of this. Nice and simple, keep it simple. All right, it's lifting off. So it's popping here. We're gonna listen for it, and as soon as it starts to slow down, that's when we're gonna dump it. Look at that, it smells so good. I wish you could smell how nice and buttery that is. All right, we're gonna turn this off. We're gonna give it a dump, just like that. Nice and easy. Whoa, there was one little piece of corn. Did you see that explode everywhere? So there we have our nice buttery popcorn, okay? Look at how nice that is. Beautiful, right? Nice and golden, buttery. Let's give it a taste. Perfect. And it's even gonna get crunchier the more it sits. All you do, take your scooper, put that in there, and there you have it. One filled popcorn container just like that. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about how much money you can make. I know I said turn $50 into $450, so let me give you the rundown. So these were 23 cents each, right? We got 100 of them for $23. So 23 cents each, and in one package, in one of these, we bought these on Amazon. We got 40 of these for $55. So that's about $1.40 per one of these, okay? So each box, 23 cents. We get 7 of these per package of popcorn. That means we get $1.07. So in one batch, to make 7 of these, it's cost us $1.75 in packaging, costs us $1.40 for the popcorn kernels, okay? If we add that together, that comes to $3.15. So to make 7 of these, it costs us $3.15. We divide that by the 7. That means each one of these costs us 45 cents, okay? Now, we had a big event, so we were selling them for $5 each, and we sold 90 of them, okay? We had 10 packages left. So that means we made $450 in top line revenue, okay? And it cost us $3.15 for every 7 of these we made, okay? So we spent about $50 in packaging and popcorn kernels, and we turned that into $450. Now, at 45 cents each for one of these, even if you sold them for $3, okay, you're making, the profit margin on this is incredible. Very easy to do. Keep it simple, like I said, and you can make some great money popping buttered popcorn out there. Have a movie night, great for PTAs. If you want to raise money, this is a great way to do it. Concession stands, it's money in the bank, and it tastes great too. Absolutely love butter popcorn. Who doesn't? So remember, in life and with popcorn, you just got to get out there and get popping.